Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Hesam and here in my channel I talk about personal finance and different methods to make money online. I'm going to test a method used in a video that claims you can make $3.5 every time you watch a Google ad. And if you watch like 10 Google ads, you can get $35. So here I'm going to test it and just try myself and see if it's really working. And then you can try it yourself. And also he claims that he's made already $900 using this method. So I'm just going to try this method and see if it's possible for anyone to make this amount of money. The website you use in this video is called getpaid2.com. And as you can see here, I am in this website and I need to go and join this website. So I just go here, join free today. And then it takes me to a sign up page where I have to put my Google account or my personal information. I am in my dashboard page here, getpaid2.com, and as you can see, there are different options here. And here it's mentioned in the video also that you get 25 points as a welcome bonus just for joining this program, which is something that you can redeem. And here we can see that there's three cash out methods here. You can get your money through cryptocasino.com gift cards. And also if you're living in the US and UK, you can get the gift cards with your points. And also we have this faucetpay.io that you can cash out your money as Litecoin or LTC, which is a cryptocurrency. In the video that was made, it was claimed that you can also cash out through PayPal, but I don't see any PayPal option here. So this is different from what it's claimed. Anyway, what I do is go to this home page. Here, as you can see, we have featured offers. There are different items here that we can get the points here. And on the right, we can see the recently earned money or the earned points by the people using the website. And now I'm going just to go to the top area, the earned points, according to the video, the earned points, and then go to this area which says quick points. So I click air points and then quick points. There are different things here, but the one which is our focus is this one which says click on URLs to earn points, to earn easy points actually. So I'm going to just click this one, click on URLs. But it says that short links are temporarily disabled. I don't know, maybe at that time that the video was made, they were available. So I'm going to try the other things, I think here it says Hideout TV Guide. So I'm just going to click this one, start earning the videos here. And it's taking me to another web page where I can just watch videos and probably will get some points. So it says here that my points is 0 at this time. So let's actually watch this video and see if it shows us ads. If it shows us ads, it means that we're going just to make some points. Alright, I think that's the issue. The first thing we have to do is to subscribe to this program here, which is recepipanda.tv. First we have to just be a member in order to be able to get some points. So I'm just going to sign up here. Okay, I have signed up now. Let's go and see if we can get some points from watching these videos ads. Okay, so let's go for example to this one, the first one here. Yeah, it's showing us some ads here now and probably will give us some points. I'm watching this video now and I've just seen one advertisement in the beginning, but this video is around 7 minutes long. So I'm just going to watch it completely and then show you how many points I could get from this video. Well, I'm almost at the end of this video, and I've already made 16.5 pixel points here. So these are actually the points which are going to be added up here. So this video is ending and I just gathered this amount of points. I'm watching just the rest of the videos now. As long as the videos are showing advertisements every 1 minute or 2 minutes, it means that you are getting points. So I'm going to keep watching these videos here and with the ads and try to accumulate more points and see how many videos are giving me with ads and also giving me points. It's been a few videos, so after 5-6 videos I just got like 79 points here. So I'm just going to go here to rewards and just say redeem. And if you see here, we've got the 79 points. We can just change it or convert it to the Get Paid To website, the website that we were in the beginning, and convert these points, because these points are earned through the RecipePanda.tv. So if I click here and come here and choose a linked account, so I can choose Get Paid To here, and it tells me that this 72 can be converted to 200 points in getpaidto.com. So that's the way you have to do that to start earning money and continue getting points and accumulating them. Okay, so now I'm just going to leave it as it is now, and the point is that this way is working now. I mean, there are so many points getting accumulated here, and okay, that's the way it's working now, but I'm going to convert it to Get Paid To and redeem the balance. So earnings is redeemed. Alright, now after watching these videos and redeeming the points to Get Paid To, I have just like 300 points, as you can see here. And the details come from, for example, just 1 minute ago I got like 50 points from the first one, and then I tried. There was just the registration bonus like 25 points, and then I got like 225 points from another website. And then the last one I tried didn't give me so many ads, just was very few, and I just got 50 points. Okay, so all my points here are 300, and if I want to cash out here, I go here into this section, cash out, and it just tells me that the minimum cash out is 5,000 points. So I have to keep watching the videos and the points and accumulate, and then get 5,000 points to reach $1. And if you reach $1, you can come here and get an Amazon gift card, or also you can get your money through the cryptocurrency here through these two websites. I will continue this for the next few weeks and make points and try to reach the minimum amount. And as soon as I reach, I create a video and show you the result to see if it's really possible to withdraw the money into your account. Thank you very much for watching, and if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. Thank you, and see you next video.